Hello everyone, welcome to another new video of mine. In this video, we will learn the names and spellings of baby animals in English. आज हम baby animals के नाम और spelling सीखेंगे. Number 1 is cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. Cat के बच्चे को kitten कहा जाता है. K-I-T-T-E-N kitten. Number 2 is goat. A baby goat is called a kid. Goat के बच्चे को kid कहा जाता है. K-I-D kid. Number 3 is eagle. A baby eagle is called an eaglet. Eagle के बच्चे को eaglet कहा जाता है. E-A-G-L-E-T eaglet. Number 4 is dog. A baby dog is called a puppy. Dog के बच्चे को पप्पी कहा जाता है. P-U-P-P-Y puppy. Number 5 is deer. A baby deer is called a fawn. Deer के बच्चे को fawn कहा जाता है. F-A-W-N fawn. Number 6 is platypus. A baby platypus is called a platypup. Platypus के बच्चे को platypup कहा जाता है. P-L-A-T-Y-P-U-P platypup. Number 7 is hummingbird. A baby hummingbird is called a chick. Hummingbird के बच्चे को chick कहा जाता है. C-H-I-C-K chick. Number 8 is mole. A baby mole is called a pup. Mole के बच्चे को pup कहा जाता है. P-U-P pup. Number 9 is koala. A baby koala is called a joey. Koala के बच्चे को joey कहा जाता है. J-O-E-Y joey. Number 10 is moose. A baby moose is called a calf. Moose के बच्चे को calf कहा जाता है. C-A-L-F calf. Number 11 is otter. A baby otter is called a pup. Otter के बच्चे को pup कहा जाता है. P-U-P pup. Number 12 is turkey. A baby turkey is called a poult. Turkey के बच्चे को poult कहा जाता है. P-O-U-L-T poult. Number 13 is cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Cow के बच्चे को calf कहा जाता है. C-A-L-F calf. Number 14 is fox. A baby fox is called a kit. Fox के बच्चे को kit कहा जाता है. K-I-T kit. Number 15 is lion. A baby lion is called a cub. लायन के बच्चे को कब कहा जाता है? CUB, कब. Number 16 is horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Horse के बच्चे को foal कहा जाता है. FOAL, foal. Number 17 is chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. चिकन के बच्चे को चिक कहा जाता है. CHICK, chick. Number 18 is goose. A baby goose is called a gosling. गूस के बच्चे को गॉसलिंग कहा जाता है. GOSLING, gosling. Number 19 is donkey. A baby donkey is called a foal. डोंकी के बच्चे को foal कहा जाता है. FOAL, foal. Number 20 is sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. sheep के बच्चे को lamb कहा जाता है. LAMB, lamb. Number 21 is kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. कंगारू के बच्चे को जोई कहा जाता है. JOEY, जोई. Number 22 is pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. Pig के बच्चे को piglet कहा जाता है. PIGLET, piglet. Number 23 is bear. A baby bear is called a cub. bear के बच्चे को cub कहा जाता है. CUB, cub. Number 24, swan. A baby swan is called a cygnet. स्वान के बच्चे को सिग्नेट कहा जाता है. CYGNET, signet. Number 25 is frog. A baby frog is called a tadpole. frog के बच्चे को tadpole कहा जाता है. TADPOLE, tadpole. Number 26 is monkey. A baby monkey is called an infant. monkey के बच्चे को infant कहा जाता है. INFANT, infant. Number 27 is duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. duck के बच्चे को duckling कहा जाता है. DUCKLING, duckling. Number 28 is owl. A baby owl is called an owlet. owl के बच्चे को owlet कहा जाता है. OWLET, owlet. Number 29 is rat. A baby rat is called a pup. rat के बच्चे को pup कहा जाता है. PUP, pup. Number 30 is pigeon. A baby pigeon is called a squab. पिजन के बच्चे को स्क्वाब कहा जाता है. SQUAB squab. Number 31 is bat. A baby bat is called a pup. बैट के बच्चे को पप कहा जाता है. PUP pup. Number 32 is rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. Rabbit के बच्चे को bunny कहा जाता है. BUNNY bunny. Number 33 is elephant. A baby elephant is called a calf. Elephant के बच्चे को calf कहा जाता है. CALF calf. Number 34 is peacock. A baby peacock is called a peachick. पीकॉक के बच्चे को पीचिक कहा जाता है. PEACHICK पीचिक. Number 35 is giraffe. A baby giraffe is called a calf. जिराफ के बच्चे को calf कहा जाता है. CALF calf. Number 36 is butterfly. A baby butterfly is called a caterpillar. Butterfly के बच्चे को caterpillar कहा जाता है. CATERPILLAR caterpillar. Number 37 is crocodile. A baby crocodile is called a hatchling. Crocodile के बच्चे को hatchling कहा जाता है. HATCHLING hatchling. Number 38 is oyster. A baby oyster is called a spat. Oyster के बच्चे को spat कहा जाता है. SPAT spat. Number 39 is ferret. A baby ferret is called a kit. Ferret के बच्चे को kit कहा जाता है. KIT kit. Number 40 is panda. A baby panda is called a cub. पांडा के बच्चे को कब कहा जाता है. CUB cub. Now we will practice each word twice. Cat, kitten, cat, kitten. Goat, kid, goat, kid. Eagle, eaglet, eagle, eaglet. Dog, puppy, dog, puppy. Deer, fawn, deer, fawn. Platypus, platypup, platypus, platypup. Hummingbird, chick, hummingbird, chick. Mole, pup, mole, pup. Koala, joey, koala, joey. Moose, calf, moose, calf. Otter, pup, otter, pup. Turkey, poult, turkey, poult, cow, calf, cow, calf, fox, kit, fox, kit, lion, cub, lion, cub, horse, foal, horse, foal, chicken, chick, chicken, chick, goose, gosling, goose, gosling, donkey, foal, donkey, foal, sheep, lamb, sheep, lamb, kangaroo, joey, kangaroo, joey, pig, piglet, pig, piglet, bear, cub, bear, cub, swan, cygnet, swan, cygnet, frog, tadpole, frog, tadpole, monkey, infant, monkey, infant, duck, duckling, duck, duckling, owl, owlet, owl, owlet, rat, pup, rat, pup, pigeon, squab, pigeon, squab, bat, pup, bat, pup, rabbit, bunny, rabbit, bunny, elephant, calf, elephant, calf, peacock, peachick, peacock, peachick, giraffe, calf, giraffe, calf, butterfly, caterpillar, butterfly, caterpillar, crocodile, hatchling, crocodile, hatchling, oyster, spat, oyster, spat, ferret, kit, ferret, kit, panda, cub, panda, cub. Thank you for joining us. I hope you had a great time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.